Sounds like something from a Disney movie. Okay, so we're not going to be using the capo for that one because it's composed in C, so have. Alright, so the riffs there are 5, 3, 1 open, and then you have this 3, 2, 1, 1. So 3, 2 open 1 on your second string, and the chords are C to G, A minor, and then F. Sweet, hanging out the Sandman, you look so sweet. My child, hanging out the Sandman. Okay, so another one is open 3, 1, 3 on your second string. So open is the first string. That's now an advanced way to play it. You just merge the chords with the riff, and then you add the slap in there for just percussion and rhythm. And